Olie. Come and get the slug. Here he is. Get him, Olie. Get that slug. He's up on top. That's it. Get him, Olie. Watch out. You better eat. You better not eat that. It might taste bad. You better get it, Olie. Come on, get that slug, Olie. Come on. Get him, Olie. No, he's up here. Here he is. See him there? Look out. He might bite you. Get him. Come on, that's it. Bark at him. That'll help a lot. Go get him. Get that slug. Huh? It's going to taste terrible. Look out. You better watch out. They might get you. Yuck. Come on, get that slug, Olie. Come on, Olie. Get the slug. There he is, right here. He's right there. He fell down, didn't he?